In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Bing as default search engine. We'll do this in Google Chrome on a computer, and it only takes a moment. Setting Bing as the default means that anytime you type a query directly into the address bar, Chrome will use Bing to get your results. First, open Chrome. Make sure you're in the Chrome window you want to change, especially if you use multiple profiles at work and at home, because this setting is saved per profile. Look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three vertical dots. This is the More menu. Click it, then choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. If you don't see it right away, the tab icon looks like a gear. On the left side of the Settings page, click Search Engine. This section controls how Chrome handles searches from the address bar, sometimes called the Omnibox. It's separate from your homepage or startup pages, so changing this won't affect which website opens when you launch Chrome. Now find the line that says Search Engine Used in the address bar. To the right, there's a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and select Bing. As soon as you choose it, Chrome updates the setting automatically. There's no Save button to press. From this point on, when you type a word, phrase, or question into the address bar and press Enter, Chrome will send that search to Bing. If your menus look a little different, you might be on an older Chrome version. Updating Chrome can make the layout match what you see here, but the option is still named the same and lives in the search engine section. A quick note: this change affects only Google Chrome and only the profile you're using right now. It doesn't change the search engine in other browsers, and it doesn't alter your bookmarks, history, or extensions. Also, switching the default search engine doesn't change your default homepage. That's a separate setting under On Startup if you ever need it. And that's it. With Bing set as the default for the address bar, you'll get results from Bing every time you search in Chrome without needing to visit the site first. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same drop-down and pick a different search engine. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined searches.